Guys, taking challenge a quick story. Oh, welcome to Mozart Music. The platform where brings our music to full of our technology. So, it was people and we inspire others. Basically, we post on talks content. So, first things first. This is one of the best shots I've ever gotten. Wabo, Mncube. So if you are looking to get, okay, well, you can't get these one because this is mine. I want a one of one. If you are looking to get, like Willy Cooper merch, make sure to head down to their website. If not, ungabavakashela eFourways Mall. They have officially opened a new store. So yes, again, get there, share content, buy this thing, tag me as well. So, guys, the most randomest thing happened last night. So, when I recorded this on a Sunday, so that means you guys will see this on a Monday. The most randomest thing happened. Guys, I got a phone call. I got a phone call from Bhekani, Mncube. I got a phone call. I got a phone. I don't want to react today. I'm not reacting. I wanted to, but I'm not. Guys, I got a phone call. I got a phone call from Mkhulu, Bhekani. Like, guys, do you understand? Do you understand the caliber in which I'm at right now? I don't think you guys get it. Actually, I think I might post this video today. In your react access, guys, listen, I'm tired. And I've been busy. I had to do. Guys, I got a phone call yesterday from Bhekani. I was standing here. Yeah. Magati, do you know who you're speaking to? I'm like, no sir, I have no idea. I had to call my Mncube. I was standing here. I lost my mind. Bruh, I was like, he said, Mncube. I was like, oh king, I screamed. I was like, yo, bruh, I was like, what is going on? Eh? What is going on, bruh? Momo, what's happening? Do you understand how honored I feel right now? Do you understand how honored I feel right now? Bro, having to be called by such a legend in the game. Bruh, you know. Bro, so ngintshela manje. King Mkhulu is having something is happening next year February. I don't know yini, but it's happening next year February. And whatever it is that's happening, I will be there. Most definitely, I don't know, but most definitely Ngoni FM will also be there. We are gonna share my live coverage. We will do the best we can. Guys, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I don't think you guys understand. I've been going through a rough patch. Those close to me, they know. I've been going through a rough patch, and some of you guys saw. There was a time I was just an emotional wreck. I was just emotional from the reaction is until lately. I've been in an emotional wreck, bro. Receiving that call yesterday. For sure, I'm trying to about 3 or 4. Coca-Cola. Guys, King Bhekani knows my name. That man knows my name. What is happening, y'all? So, he calls me and he's like, yo, bro, I just want to say I appreciate what you're doing. What you are doing is something positive, or something out of the ordinary, something that people might have needed, but they're not really sure this is what they needed, right? And having to hear such words from such a prestigious person is amazing. It is amazing to see umuntu ofana no King, Mkhulu King Bhekani, acknowledging me and thanking me for what I do. It's it's amazing, bro. It's something I would have never imagined in my wildest dream, bro. In wildest dream, bro. You understand, Uguti? I used to walk from here to Edland. I would listen to him, bro. I would genuinely listen to his songs. Those are in one. I'm like, listen to him. Get there, bro, and get a lift back. Having to hear someone that has shaped some of the music, some of people's lives in my household, in my own family, know me. Oh, hola, so I just want to say, guys, I'm thankful for the support that you guys are showing me. I'm grateful, guys, for the love that you guys are showing me. It is the craziest thing, and I don't think people can understand that I did this. First of all, I did this to prove a point that Uzayoni is big. Uzayoni is the thing now. 10, 15 years down the line, Uzayoni will be competing on the highest level when it comes to everything. And I don't think people see that. Understand? That's why I push this so much. And I'm like, I want to do it, I want to do it, I want to do it, I want to do it. And having Abantu Abafana like King call me and say thank you for what you did, because I reacted to his album and that was it. I didn't have any from there. It just nothing. You know, having people that have reacted to their music videos come up to my comment section and be like, yo, bro, thank you. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm not doing this thing just for me. I'm doing it for all of us. Make sure you follow me. Whatever questions that you want to ask, you want to do some collabs with me, hit me up. Hit me up on TikTok, on Facebook. I do have Facebook now, because people are like, dog, we also need you on Facebook, but some people are not really on TikTok and Instagram. So I do have Facebook. So you can hit me up there. You can most definitely link up and let's just do something big for this. Yo, in your favorite way to who? Me, YouTube, I'm signing up.